Sometimes the heart carries wounds unseen, and the soul wanders in search of a silence that heals.
Muhib, I am the one your heart has been searching for. I too once lived among heartless relations. Every voice demanded, yet none gave. My heart drowned under their weight. So I left. Here, in the lap of nature, I found myself again. These sheep, these trees, these birds, they take nothing. They only give. They are my true family. Once, I had everything yet felt empty. Now, with nothing of the world, I have everything of the soul. You have reached your destiny of serenity, dear Muhib. The world outside takes, but here, the soul only receives.
The seekers of peace do not find it in the noise of the crowd, but in the whispers of the valley, where silence becomes a song of love.